Hello, welcome back. It's your woman Angela K.O.D. Today we are making a very authentic, delicious, healthy meal. We are making Nkotomiere Okro dip with Banku. Nkotomiere Fetri Toto. Come with me and let's make this delicious, healthy meal. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. Thank you. For ingredients, we'll be needing our palm oil, cassava and corn dough, and Nkotomiere or Cocoyam leaf. This is really fresh from my garden. Okro, pepper, onion, fermented fish, and kobe. So guys, these are the ingredients we'll be needing to make our delicious Nkotomiere Okro dip with Banku. The ingredients are so fresh and healthy. So guys, in the same bowl, a pot I've added in my okra and the pepper. I'll go in with and then the kobe will be on top. The kobe has already been soaked for 2 hours, so we're able to take some of the salt out. I'll cover it up and then we'll cook it. So now everything is in one pot. I'll go ahead and cover it, and this food is under 30 minutes, trust me. So now this one is on. Let's go ahead and prepare our banku. Water in the pan. I'll go in with my cassava dough and the corn dough, and then we'll just mix everything together. I'll go in with my salt. Salt is always to your taste, so for me this amount is okay, and then that is it. So guys, our banku is also on fire, and then that is it. So everything is going alongside. So within 30 minutes, your dinner or lunch is ready. If you are somebody who really loves okra stew and you don't have time, this Nkotomiere okra dip or Nkotomiere Fetri Toto is going to do you good. It's so full with goodies and it's so nutritious, guys. Our banku is doing perfect. I'll go in with a little water, and then guys, make a little hole in it and allow it to boil through. Guys, our Nkotomiere is done, so let's go in. It's ready, guys. I'll go ahead and remove my kobe. Really have to be very careful. So hot. Let's go ahead and strain it. You can see it's cooked, guys. I'll go ahead and remove the pepper. I always call this food superfood. Go in with my onion. Let's go in with our momo. I'll go ahead and add my kuruma, our okro. So with the okra, you have to step on it like this, and then this is the moment of the truth. I'll go in with my Nkotomiere and just go ahead and mix it all, blend it all together. But this shouldn't be smooth. Let me say it's smooth, so taste for salt. I'll add just a little bit of salt because remember we cooked our veggies with the salted tilapia, that is the kobe. So I'll go ahead and then mix. And now we are done. So perfect, guys. And I'll go in with my oil. And then I'll go in with my onions, guys, for more flavor. And somebody showed me a trick that anytime you want to remove this part, whenever you cut it, it's very difficult for you to bring it out. So always cook it first and then like this. It's okay. You can just remove all the bones without any trouble, especially if you have young children eating it with you. Perfect. Guys, look at this. Look at this. It looks so good. Look at this. Look at this. Let's go ahead and add it to our dip, and then we are good to go. Our food is ready. Guys, this our delicious healthy superfood is ready. Guys, this looks so delicious and healthy. I hope you are going to try this delicious Nkotomiere Okro dip or Nkotomiere Fetri Toto. Guys, thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious goodies food here. But if you are new to this channel, you have not subscribed, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Kiss kiss.